No, sorry. All right, this is an uncompleted story building of 4 flats of 3 bedrooms with toilets, washing room, and kitchen. This property is at institution and staff quarters, institution layouts near Owerri, very close to Gloran Hotel, Gloran and Golden Tulip. So the land is quite spacious. So this is the dilapidated structure, the interior. Then it has okay. Then we have about 5 room BQ behind, which I want to show you. So this is the BQ. So let me show you the environment, the overview. So this is the neighborhood, the surrounding houses. This is Gloran Hotels. That's what you're looking at. And then that's Golden Tulip down there. Golden Tulip Hotel. This is Gloran. And this is the neighborhood. This is the overview, the compound. Yeah. In a cool neighborhood. Okay, so this is Gloran. Down there is a better links, Harcourt Road. That's Golden Tulip over there. Then that's the house down there. That's the house. So you can see how close the house is to the road. That's Port Harcourt Road. By your left is Ibrahim Links Fuel Station. This is institutional staff quarters. This is Gloran Hotel. And that's the property down there. An uncompleted 1-story building of 4 units or 3 bedrooms with 5 self-contained BQ.